Knowing who your dream customer is a critical step, so you spend your time wisely on the platform using those tips I'm going to give you to get new leads. What's up guys, my name is Helena and welcome to HBLC channel for a new video. I recently shared with you a video where I give you 6 hacks on how to get new clients on Instagram. But obviously, Instagram isn't the only social media platform where you can market your business online. Actually, today I would like to talk to you about LinkedIn, which is an underestimated platform but a great one to get new clients, especially if you're looking for B2B leads. Knowing who your dream customer is a critical step, so you spend your time wisely on the platform using those tips I'm going to give you to get new leads. So let's jump on the screen so I can start to give you those tips. If you're going to be on LinkedIn, you will have to open a profile. And you want this profile to be optimized so your dream customer can eventually find you, and when they end up on your profile, they can have this, whoa, this person can actually help me. You want people to think that when they end up reading about you on your profile. So how to get this reaction? First, you want to have a look to your profile picture. You can choose something casual. This is definitely up to you and your industry. After, you want to take care of your cover photo. You can have something putting your value up or your catchphrase on it directly. For Christian, I choose a photo that showcases his photography skills. After, we want to focus on the header of your profile. So when people read your header, it's like when they read your Instagram bio kind of. You want them to understand straight, where do you work, what is your position, and what value can you bring to them. So for Christian, you can see that he's the co-founder. His role is to be a content creator and he's helping business owners and brands to stand out on social media platforms. So when you read that, if the right person is visiting his profile, they will end up like, oh, okay, he's creating content and I need content for my business. This guy might be able to help me. So if your header is well written, you will make people scroll until your About section, where you want them to click on this See More button. So in your About section, you want to go a bit deeper into the topic and how you can help people. You want to tell them what they can contact you for. You can even put like your social media links so they know where they can find you. And you can add your contact to make it easier for them to contact you and make the first step to reach you. After that, we end up to the featured section, which is quite new on the platform, and it is great so it can allow you to showcase your work directly. So you can add your blog posts, your videos, anything related to your work that is going to spotlight your experience. And after that, we're going to arrive to the experience section, so you can talk a bit deeper about your company, all the services or products you're provided, and you can also link some media. So for Christian, we decided to link video, and if people click on view, it will drive them directly to the YouTube channel, which is quite cool. So it's easy for people to look at your work. So even though you optimize your profile, this doesn't guarantee that people will end up finding you on the platform. This is why I actually recommend you to open a business page for your business, because it is very easy to set up and actually can help you get a lot more visibility on the platform and for your company. So on your business page, you can share your activity, the update about your business, which will help you to build your authority and to get some credibility as well. So it's a great way to keep people updated and make them understand what is your business about and what are your services and products. So this brings me to my next point. If people aren't finding you, go out and find them. And I'm going to show you now how. Just use the search bar. So you know now who you're looking for. So what you want to put first in the search bar is the position of your dream customer. So if I was looking for it for HBLC, the position would be CEO. So I'm just going to put this in the search bar. So you can see here that you have 8 million results. So you want this to be a lot more accurate. And to do that, you're going to help yourself with all filters. So you click on all filters and you have a bunch of options there to make your result as precise as possible. I know that my dream customer is located in London, so I'm going to start with that. Also, I can select the industry, which is going to help me a lot to have a better result. So I'm going to select wellness and fitness. Okay, perfect. So I will just stop there and see how many results do I have if I do apply. So you can see that from 8 million, we went to 1,800 results. So now you're going to scroll down and to see kind of the profile you can see there. So as I already click on this profile, I'm going to have a deeper look because I don't think we have been contacted her. So okay, she's working at Reset London. So let's have a deeper look on what is that. So now I'm getting some information about the company, because if you want to contact this person and to make a good impression, you want to send a message that call to an answer. So I'm going to get some information to know what value can Chris bring to her with his services. I'm going to check out their Instagram. Okay, they've been doing some stuff for the lockdown, which is quite great. Okay, I have an idea of message to send her. So I'm going to draft this quickly. And as you can see, sometimes you cannot contact people directly by message because you need the premium LinkedIn for that, which you can purchase if you think that LinkedIn is a great asset for you to get new leads for your business. It can worth the investment. So what I'm going to do to send her a message, I'm going to click on connect. So with that, I'm allowed to send her a message that is 300 characters long. So I'm going to try to select my word wisely to send a message that we call to an answer. So this message could look like this. Hi Kara, I've just watched the last IGTV you posted. I found it great how you adapt to this crazy time to deliver value to your audience. I've been meaning to contact you regarding your online strategy and how you could get more visibility with a different approach. Are you available for a call? Quick, efficient, and if she is interested in getting more traffic and more visibility, she will definitely answer us and we can maybe get in touch and start working together. So I'm just going to send this invitation before moving to the next tip with you. So obviously this message was just an example, but you have to adapt the message to your industry. But you get the point. You want to first talk about them, show interest in their company, and after show how you could help them reach their goal and point out a problem you can solve for them. Because at the end, spammy copy-paste message rarely work, and actually LinkedIn is a really great platform to outreach quality leads. So just don't miss out, select your leads wisely and send them a meaningful message that will call for an answer. And this brings me to my last tip, is for you to be active on the platform. So there is many ways you can be active by commenting on other people, reacting to posts. There's a lot of interaction you can have on the platform. But the one I want to tell you about is when you post. So there is two types of posts you can do. Is that either the one that are business related, where you share your updates, what you've been up to in the professional industry, but also you should think about posting about non-business related topics, because you don't want only to promote your business over and over, but you want to give a personality to your business and share your thoughts and personal stories on your LinkedIn profile. So this is my advice. Try to not be only all about your business and to share things that are related to your industry, but not related directly to your company, so you can build a community around this same niche. So now you know how to use LinkedIn platform as a great tool in your social media strategy to get new leads. I hope that the first thing you do after watching this video is obviously to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button, but more seriously, I want you to open LinkedIn and consider this platform in your digital strategy to market your business online and get new leads. And this is it for this video, guys. Do not hesitate to leave us a comment. Thank you for watching and definitely see you in the next one.